Now let us look at the female body. For an average female body, the width of the hips is about the same as the width of the shoulders. When the angle of the A increases, the hips become wider than the shoulders. The chest will tend to be larger too. This makes a curvy body shape. When the angle of the A decreases, the hips become narrower than the shoulders. Also, the chest will usually be smaller. This makes a slim body shape. Finally, the arms and legs should also match the body type you chose for your character. That means more rounded limbs for curvy characters and thin arms and legs for slim characters. You can further refine the build of your characters when adding details. Try out different character designs by making use of the VA method to create characters with different body types.